Antiquing gel. And you just really got to work it in. I'm doing it very light with a brush, and you just really got to work it. All right, so the first thing I did, I took the TSP and I completely washed this. I sanded down, there were a couple little bumps, sanded it down, nothing big, just a quick little sand. Then I took the all-in-one paint, this is the putty, and with my paintbrush, even strokes. Okay, back and forth, make them straight lines. Very lightly, that's it. Now, I'm going to take the all-in-one Vintage Brown Antiquing Gel and put that on. And this is where you really rub it all in real good. Just putting some on the brush. And you're just... like, you don't want any clumps at all. Like, it is just rubbing it in.